What's up guys, Focus Detail here. Today we have this Lexus RX 350 and for a full detail, let's get started.
This car is going to be put up for sale very soon, so before, let's take a look. I'll be starting with the pre-wash. This step is all about being gentle with the paint by loosening up dirt and grime so we're not dragging anything across the surface. I'm making sure to get areas like the gas cap, as these areas make a huge difference. Next, moving on to the wheels. They usually carry the most buildup and brake dust, so they'll get a thorough cleaning with extra attention. Now for the foam bath. It not only looks great, but also solvents and lifts any dirt left from the pre-wash. It's kind of like giving the paint a reset before making contact. Moving on to the contact wash. I'm using a detail brush to reach the grill and other small areas, followed by a wash mitt to clean each panel. Once that's done, I'll rinse away all the soap and grime. Now to dry the car, using a blower to push water out of the seams and crevices, followed by a drying towel. Moving inside, I'll start removing the floor mats and giving them a deep clean with a pressure washer and a brush to remove all the dirt hidden in them. mats out, I'll thoroughly vacuum the carpets, pulling out dust and debris. Next, I'm using steam on the driver's pedals. The steam cleaner is simple and effective for cleaning the small crevices. Then I'll do a full interior wipe down. The engine bay was looking pretty dusty, so we can't overlook that. Using a safe engine cleaner, detail brushes, and steam, we'll carefully clean it up and restore a nice, tidy finish. I believe a clean engine bay always adds value. With everything clean, I'll apply a sealant to the paint for protection and gloss. Next, we'll clean all the glass for a streak-free finish. Then, dressing the tires to a clean, matte black finish. Not too shiny, just a fresh, factory look.